So good evening. Um, Welcome to an additional lecture. Okay, this lecture or this demonstration is intended for your final project to be submitted next week. No, until Saturday. Dated 15 of January. No, January 15. Okay, but if you remember, I conducted a lecture, no, last December. Actually, that was our last lecture. But let me just share that to you so that you are being refreshed, or you can be able to remember, no. So we were able to discuss the quantitative method and then the statistics, and then we said that quantitative method, it's all about numbers, no. For instance, we can be able to compute the average, the what does that data tell us, the shape, the data, what does that particular data will tell us, or the manager will decide upon seeing that data. No, now data is very important, and and the question as well, no. So that's why it's very important when you see the data, you need to know how to ask questions, or what are the things that you want to know about that data, no. For example, what for example, here at this COVID cases, what is the average COVID cases that we have so far, something like that, no. Okay, now okay. As you all know, I'm interested with the political campaign. I'm as you all know, then I have political leanings. Okay, that's why the data that I have, that I showed to you also, is about the vice presidential election last 2016. I'm interested because the two personalities, no, Bongbong Marcos and Leni Robredo, ran last 2016 election. The same thing that they are running again, no, but they are running they are running in a presidential election. It means to say that they are this is like round two, no. So I'm interested, what's the percentage of this certain candidate in their in his own region, something like that, no. So my question there is, what is the percentage of votes, no, in his home region, no. So meaning to say, I'm talking about Bongbong Marcos. Okay, so yon, that's my question now. Okay, these are the things that you will do, no. We discuss this one. Okay, these are the things that you will do, no. I mentioned this a lot of times in the past. Okay, first of all, on your video, okay, you will show, or you will tell, no, you will tell on your video, or you will show how did you collect the data, no, how did you collect the data. Okay, or you show that raw data or that CSV file. Okay, you will show that CSV file by using R Studio, or by using R. Okay, now you need to set a question, no. The question is, okay, so like what I've done, no. The question that I want to know is like this. Okay, now now after that, you need to analyze the data. What does it mean by analyzing the data? Under the analyzing data, you need to be able to clean the data. No? What are those columns, rows that are not needed? No? So for example, um, for example, in this particular data set, no, I'm only interested with region 1. Okay, in this data set, I'm interested with this particular columns only, no. I'm not interested with at this time, I do not want to compare yet, but I'm interested with Marcos, okay, variable. Now, I'm interested with the total registered voters. I'm interested with other other columns or variables for that matter, but other variables than that, I'm not interested. Okay, now, okay, okay, after that, you need to show me, a graph. Okay, that particular graph, okay, so for example, maybe you can have a bar chart, no? But in this bar chart, it shows the numbers also. Okay, but for now, for the final project, I want the simplest, chart that you can be able to present. Now, after that, you need to tell a story about that one. No, maybe it confirms. So, for example, on my part later on, I will show you. It confirms that 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 there is a solid north, no, during the 2016, or there is that majority of the Ilocanos in this particular region, no, really love this guy, no, because maybe in the past his family did something good on that particular region. Okay, all right. Okay, so without much further ado, I will be stop sharing this one first. Okay, and then let me pause this one, and then I will when I proceed later on, you will see the data set already. Okay, so this time around, I will be showing you right now the R Studio as what we have studied in the past. Okay, so I will be sharing it to you now. The R Studio. Okay, so this is the R Studio. No? As you can see, we don't have yet a data set here, etc. No, the first thing that we will do here is for me to update if there is possibility that we can be able to update this particular R Studio. No, as you can see, we have two packages to be installed or to be updated. So I will be selecting those packages, and okay, and then I will be installing it. No, okay. Now, all right. Okay, so the first thing that I will do here is for me to import the CSV file that I need, no? 'Di ba sabi ko is for us to collect the data, no? The data set, no? This data set that I will be showing you is the data set that I collected, no? In in one website or in one source, no, and this one is for the vice presidential. Okay, for the vice presidential. So as you can see here, okay, as you can see here, okay, I already updated the packages. All right, now what I will, since I will be reading the CSV file, or I will be importing, no, the data set or the CSV file, what I will do is for me uh, to update, no, or to load the library, which is the library, the read R, no, okay, because yeah, there are library read R. All right, now, okay, under this package, no, the read R, okay, we will be having the function, no, the read underscore CSV, read read underscore CSV. So what I will do right now is for me uh to have a variable, no, okay, and then I will be passing that CSV into that particular variable, no. Remember the assignment operator. Okay, so what I will do is for me to define siguro, let me just have bongbong. All right, bongbong VP underscore. All right, and then the assignment operator, read, and then read underscore CSV. All right, CSV, and then I will look for that particular file, no? So let me just look for it, for a while. Okay, because it's under the documents. That's my default folder, no? I hope you're having your default folder. You know where is your default folder. Usually the default folder of R is it's in the documents folder of the of that one, no? So okay, so vice president. Okay, so let me just copy this one. Ayan. Okay, sorry for the voice, but I'm better now. Okay, and then that is my file, no, or CSV, no. I downloaded that into the documents folder. Remember, we discussed all these things naman na, no, in the past, no. I'm just repeating this one for the sake of the final project. Okay, so here it is, no. Yan. Okay, so meaning to say, I already have this CSV file, okay, and then I use the function to read it and then pass it to that particular tawag doon, to that particular variable, no? So let us try, okay? All right, there you are. Okay, so as you can see here on this side, on this area, we have already the bongbong underscore VP, no? Meaning to say, that particular CSV file, I pass it that one, no? To that particular variable, okay? Now, if you click on that, no? You have all the variables, okay? We have variables of 16 and we have observations of 90,642, no? Okay, now, okay, so we already collected the data, right? Now, I want to have a question, no? The question that I would like to have it here is listen everybody, listen everybody, no? I hope you listen everybody, because the question that I would like to have it here on this particular data set is but before that, let me open that one, no, para you have an idea, no? So this is the data set that I have. We read it already through this RStudio, okay? Now we collected the data. Now we I want to set a question, no? If you notice, we have many regions. We have many regions, no? Okay, we have many regions there, right? Look at that, no? Okay, actually region 1 to 18, no? But I do not want the entire Philippines, no? Ang gusto ko lang malaman here is ano bang what's the performance of what's the performance of Bongbong Marcos in his own region, no? So saan ba nakatira si Bongbong Marcos, no? I mean, where did he serve as a governor, congressman, etc., no? 'Di ba? In region 1, okay? Yung region na 'yon. So I would like to have that particular thing, no? Now, let's go to performance, no? So I mean, siguro the percentage, I would like to get the percentage of his votes versus dun sa registered voters. Okay? Nakuha? Nakuha, ladies and gentlemen? Ha? Okay? Now, what I would like to have is to analyze the data already, no? So based on the question, ano ang kailangan ko? Anong kailangan ko? Syempre, ang kailangan ko yung region na region 1 lang. All right? Now, am I interested, based on my question, am I interested with these candidates during 2016? Hindi na po, no? Hindi na ako interested with Cayetano, Escudero, Honasan, Robredo, even Trillanes, no? I do not like them already, no? Gusto ko na silang I do not want them to be included here, no? So anong gagawin natin? Ang hindi natin i-include diyan is yung mga nabanggit kong pangalan, no? And I just would like to have this region, no? The region 1. Nakuha? Okay? So okay, so we will be continuously cleaning the data. Okay? Nakuha? We will clean the data. So, we will be removing observations, we will be removing columns or variables for that matter. Okay? Alright, maliwanag tayo dun ha. Okay, sige. For a while lang ha. Wala tayo. Wait lang. Ba't nawala? Itong problema. Okay. Sige, let me stop sharing muna. Okay? But we will be proceeding from this ha for a while. Okay, yeah, there you are. Okay. Okay, so let me share again the R, no? Okay, for a while. Let me share to you again the R Studio, no? Because this time around, what I will do is for us to select the region 1 only here. All right. So what we can do is for us to load a library. That particular library is dplyr. Okay. So we will actually we did this already, diba? Library dplyr. Okay. Yeah, there are. Just press the tab key on the keyboard. All right. And then okay, attaching. All right, so after that, okay, I will be creating another variable. No, this time around, that name is Bongbong Region 1. No, yeah, Region 1. No, and then using the assignment operator, I will be using the filter function. Okay, that filter function is residing under the dplyr, dplyr library. So it's very important that you have that. All right, now I will be using the data set or the bongbong VP, no? Bongbong VP. All right. Tab key, and then I will be using the comma sign. All right. And then I will be using the region. No, I hope this is correct. Region, and there are region there. You are, and then double equal sign. So meaning to say, would it satisfy? No. So I will be using the quotation. All right, and then all caps. Wait lang. Let me. Sorry. Control C, Control V. Sorry. Control V. There are region 1. Okay. And then you press enter. There you are. All right. Okay. Now look at this. No. Look at this from the previous 90,642 observations. Now, what we have here is 5,300 observations. No? So, in order for you to appreciate this, let me click on this to view it. Okay, we have now another data set. No, that this data set is bongbong underscore region 1. Nakuha? All right, look at this. No, beautiful. All right. So all of these things are now we just need to it's only region 1. No, let me just scroll it down for you to appreciate it. Magic region 1. No, okay. Now the second thing that I will do. Sorry. The second thing that I will do here is for me to what? To remove these names, no? Because remember the question that I asked earlier is ano bang performance ni Marcos, no? 2016 in his own turf, in his own place. Ganun lang kasimple. So do I need Cayetano? No. Do I need Escudero? No. Do I need Honasan? No. Do I need Robredo? Definitely not. Do I need Trillanes? No, never. Okay? So, what I would like to have, what I would like to remove is these names, Cayetano, etc. Okay, so let me stop sharing this one. Okay, for a while. All right. So let me share again to you the our studio. Okay. Now, this time around, look at this data set. No, we have this new data set already. We remove the other rows. No, okay. But if you notice, we still have these names. No, Cayetano, Escudero, Honasan, Robrero, Trillanes, and others. No, what I would like to have on the new data set is for this Marcos column to be retained, and for these registered voters to be retained. No? Registered voters to be retained. All the columns, I'm not interested anymore. Okay, so what I would like to have is for me to um, new underscore BBM. Oh, sorry, all caps eh. New underscore BBM underscore region 1. Okay, assignment operator again, and then I will be using select function. If you remember yung kanina, we used the filter function. Filter function is for the ano ba to? Observations. Okay, while select function, this is for the variables. Okay, so I hope we are clear on that, huh? Okay, so we will be selecting select function. Okay, and then we will be using the previous data set, which is Bongbong ba yun? Bongbong, region 1. There you are, di ba? Region 1, beautiful. All right, and then comma. What else? All right, and then I would like to select that particular column that I would like to retain, which is Marcos, di ba? And then comma, which is, and then registered voters. Okay, registered. Yeah, there you are. Registered underscore. Tama ba? Yeah. Voters. Yeah, there you are. All right, enter. Beautiful. All right. Look at this, no? We have 5,300 observations. And we have two variables. All right? Nakita nyo? Nakuha nyo? Beautiful, right? Look at this. Okay? From the previous data set, which consists of 16 variables. Now, we have now two variables, right? We have now the Marcos and we have the registered voters. All right. Now, the next move, the next step that I will do is for us to mutate. No? What does it mean by mutate? We will be having another data set, and then I will be putting the the sum of Marcos. Okay, the total votes that Marcos got in Region 1 for 2016 and the total registered voters for Region 1 at that particular year. No, but this time around, we will be using another data set for that. All right? Okay? Sige. Let me stop sharing for this one. Okay, for what? Sorry, I'm sorry about my voice and I'm coughing, etc. No? Let me stop sharing for a while. All right, so let's proceed. Let me share to you again the R Studio. Okay. Now, look at this data set already, no? We have two columns or variables, yung Marcos and registered voters, no? We didn't care about the other columns or variables already. So this time around, I will be creating another another data set, but this time around we will be mutating, no? Meaning to say we will be having the total Marcos, total registered voters, and yeah, that's ano muna, yun muna ang gagawin natin, ha, for us to for you to be able to follow. Okay, now itong gagawin ko, I hope this is correct because Bong total, okay? Total. All right, and then assignment operator, di ba? And then we will be using the mutate function, okay? The mutate function. Now, the previous new underscore BBM, there are region 1, di ba? Yan yung, that's the previous, this one, no? That is the data set that we use so far. Okay, now, we will be using comma. All right. Okay, and then I will be using total Marcos. Ayan, total Marcos equal to, I will be using some function. I hope this is correct. Some function, and then I will be using Marcos. If I'm correct. Wait lang ha. All right, and then I will be using comma. All right, and then total registered, sorry, registered, okay, registered equals to sum registered. Tama ba? Registered voters underscore voters, tama ba to? All right, okay, so our wait, let me enter. Oh, what happened? So wait lang ha. Let me try. There you are. Okay. So we have bong total. Bong total. All right. Let me check on this ha. Okay, there you are, no? There you are. All right. Okay. Yeah, it's correct. Look at this. Kaya lang, I have lots of, the total votes for Marcos is 1 million, 1,764,750. Okay? 1,700, ano lang, no? Medyo ano lang, pero the value is correct, no? Nagkaroon lang ng ano. Okay. I have 4 columns already. Sorry. Yeah. I have 4 columns already. Okay, the total Marcos and total registered. All right. Now, the value is correct. No, Marcos got 1,764,750 votes. Okay, so pare-parehas lang yan. The total registered voters is 2,913,082. No? So, ang gusto nating gawin is for me to to remove, no? So we will be selecting again, no? Tawag dito. I will be selecting I will be selecting 2 columns, no? Total Marcos and total registered. I will be removing the 2. Okay, the 2 columns here, the Marcos registered voters. So I will do that in the next scene. Okay, all right. Okay, stop sharing. Okay, so let me share again the R Studio. Okay. Share na ba? All right. So it has been shared. Okay, so diba, medyo may ano dito pero it's a logical error. Okay, but this time around, what I would like to have is for me to remove these columns, the Marcos and the registered voters. Okay, we are done with that because we already got the total Marcos votes. Okay, for that region in 2016, which is 1,764,750, and the total registered voters. Okay, so we will process this one. We will be removing these two variables. Okay, so again, we will be having um, okay, another data set or a variable for that matter also. Okay, Marcos underscore total. All right. Okay, assignment operator, we will be using select. Okay, and then bong total. All right, bong total, comma, total. We need the total Marcos. Okay, that one, total Marcos, we need that. And then comma, total registered. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, so we will be opening the Marcos total. Tama ba? Marcos total, which is yan, there you are. Now, ang gagawin ko, the next thing that I will be removing are the columns 2 until 5,300 rows rather, no? Or observations, okay? Okay, so let me share again the RStudio, and then I will be giving you an example. Okay, so this is the existing data set that we have right now. No, as you notice, we are processing it step by step. All right, so right now we have two columns already, no? The total Marcos and total registered. What we would like to happen is we would like to select at least select one row, no? One row and two columns for that matter. Okay, so we will, without much further ado, we will be actually, this is the command already, no? This one, no? But let me type that one, Marcos underscore row, and then assignment operator, Marcos total. Okay, Marcos total, that is the data set. All right, and then we will be using concatenation. Nasaan na ba yon? Okay, there are C. Okay, and then 0, 1. Okay, and then outside of the parentheses. All right, and then enter. All right, what happened? Sorry. Okay, because there I put it period, no? It should be comma. Okay, and then press enter. There you are. When we press the Marcus row, okay, there you are. All right. So the total what do you call that? The total Marcos votes that he got, no, from the 2016 election in Region 1 is 1,764,750 votes, while the total registered votes is 2,913,082 votes. Okay, so yun. Now, what I would like to happen next is for me to add, no, or mutate the third column, no, wherein I would like to have the percentage here, no. So what does it mean by percentage? I will be dividing the total Marcos vote into the total registered votes in order for me to get the percentage votes, no, for percentage of Marcos. Okay, so without much further ado, let me stop share this one for a while, and then in the next scene, I will be demonstrating to you how to get the percentage. Okay, so let me share again the RStudio. Okay, so this is our RStudio right now. So our target this time around is for us to mutate, no? Is for us to mutate this data set, no, into another column. Okay, so right now we have total underscore Marcos, total underscore registered voter, registered columns, no? But the next data set, I would like to have a percentage here. Okay, so this is the code. All right, new underscore, new underscore Marcos. Marcos. All right, and then this time around, I would like to have a mutate function. Okay, and then Marcos row. Okay, Marcos row, that is the name of this data set, di ba? Marcos row, comma, and then I would like to have a new name, no, percentage, no, that would be the name of the column, no. So okay, and then equal sign, okay, and then total underscore Marcos, and then over total underscore registered, no? Ayan. Ay, sorry, the spelling is not correct. Registered. Yeah, there are. And press enter. Okay, so there you are. We have one observation. Okay, one observation, and this time around we have 3 variables. Let us check if that is correct. There you are. It means to say that Marcos got 60% only, no? Last 2016 election on that particular region. Okay? So let me stop sharing. The next time that we will do this is for us to have a graph, no? We will be having a plot on this side. All right? Sige. For a while. Okay, so this is the R Studio. Actually, I tried this already. No, okay. The first thing that you in this command, no, you need to first update or load the read R, no, that this one, read R package, no. So I used library read R first, no, okay, and then after that, load the library scales. All right, library scales. Okay, and then after that there is a command that I used, this one, no. So let me just type it again, no, new percentage, no. Okay, and then assignment operator percent. Okay, because I would like to put this particular percentage column, I would like to convert this into a percentage, no, or percent. So in order for us to understand better. Okay, so percent new inside of the parenthesis, new underscore ano ba? New underscore, new underscore Marcos, no? Okay, and then we will be using dollar sign. Oh, nasaan na siya? Dollar. Okay, dollar sign. Okay, and then we will be using the third column, which is the percentage. Okay, and then accuracy, no? Yan. Okay, 1. So press enter. Okay, so there will be a new percentage here. Okay, nasaan na siya? Yeah, there are 61%, no? So new value 61%, new percentage for a while. Okay, it's here. Yeah. New Marcos, there are. Okay, so values is here is 61%, no? And 61%. Okay, so for a while, let me stop sharing this one. Bakit tayo? Oh. Okay. Saan na yun? Ano ginawa ko? New percentage. View new underscore percentage. Could not find function. Bakit ganun? Sorry. Growth. Ba't ganun dati? Bakit ganun? Okay. Teka ha. Okay. Ito. Marcos. Yan. Okay. Growth. Percentage to. Percent. Marcos. Marcos. Percentage. Let's see one. Ayun, there are. Okay, so share ko. Let me share. Yan. Okay, so okay. So ito this is the command pala, no? Sorry about that, no? Okay, so this is the command that I use, no? New underscore Marcos percentage because we need to update it, no? And then yeah, percent new underscore Marcos dollar sign percentage, no? And then accuracy what? Actually, we discussed this, no? This in the past already, no? Okay, so we have this 61% already. Okay? Now, so we know we already know, no? Kasi ang question natin earlier, question natin is for us how many percentage ba, no? Ilang percent ba ang napanalunan ni Bongbong Marcos in Region 1, no? Last 2016. Okay? So yun yung ano natin, 'di ba? Ayun yung ating question earlier. Okay, so since we know already 61%, okay, we can be able to proceed with the um, with the graph. Okay, so yun yung graph natin ha. Okay, for a while. Okay, so we are done. Let me just check up. But actually, this is not quite beautiful, pero it's okay na. You know, I just use bar plot, no? And we have this title, no? 2016 percentage. So we already know, no? We already know we have this particular graphics, pero it's not that beautiful, pero it's okay. I will leave it to you guys, no? To beautify, to improve on this one. Okay, I use bar plot, no? This is the command. that I used, okay? This one, no? Bar plot, final underscore bong, okay, main, BBM. This is the text, no, that I use. This is a bar plot. Okay, I'm supposed to use pie chart pero it's okay, no? This is the and then you can be able to export this one, no? Actually, you can be able to improve on this just research on the particular commands that you can be able to use, no? So as you can see, we were able to I was able to demonstrate to you guys, no, step by step, no, from the very start until this end, no. But of course, I will leave it to you guys to improve, to innovate on this demonstration. All right? So that's it. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye po. Okay? Thank you very much and let us continuously pray for each other. Okay? Bye-bye.